Life Beyond Earth, a comprehensive exploration of the documentary. Introduction. The question to understand life beyond Earth is one of humanity's most profound scientific and philosophical pursuits. The documentary Life Beyond Earth delves into this captivating subject, offering viewers a panoramic view of the latest discoveries, theories, and explorations in the search for extraterrestrial life. This article provides a comprehensive analysis of the documentary, exploring its content, significance, and implications for our understanding of the cosmos. The documentary overview. Life Beyond Earth is a documentary that brings together a wide range of scientific insights, historical contexts, and speculative ideas regarding the possibility of life beyond our planet. The documentary spans various aspects of astrobiology, space exploration, and the philosophical implications of discovering extraterrestrial life. It is structured into several key segments, each addressing different facets of the search for life in the universe. Historical context and human curiosity. The documentary opens with a historical overview of humanity's fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth. It traces the evolution of our understanding from ancient civilizations that speculated about other worlds to the scientific revolution that began to offer concrete methods for exploring these ideas. The documentary highlights key historical figures, such as Carl Sagan, whose work in the 20th century significantly advanced the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. Sagan's influence is evident in the documentary's approach to blending scientific rigor with a sense of wonder about the cosmos. The film also covers early science fiction works and how they reflect and inspire our scientific inquiries. The search for extraterrestrial life. The second segment delves into the scientific efforts currently underway to find evidence of extraterrestrial life. It covers the use of powerful telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, to detect exoplanets in the habitable zones of distant stars. The documentary explains the concept of the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might support liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Moreover, the film explores the role of robotic missions to planets and moons within our solar system. Missions such as NASA's Mars rovers and the European Space Agency's ESA exploration of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, are detailed. These missions aim to uncover signs of microbial life or, at the very least, the conditions that might support life. Theoretical frameworks and hypotheses. A significant portion of the documentary is devoted to discussing the theoretical frameworks and hypotheses about extraterrestrial life. The film presents various scientific theories, including the Drake equation, which estimates the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. Another key hypothesis explored is the concept of panspermia, the idea that life on Earth may have originated from microorganisms or chemical precursors of life present in outer space and subsequently brought to Earth via meteorites or comets. The documentary also considers alternative forms of life that might not be based on carbon chemistry, as we know it, expanding the scope of what constitutes life. Philosophical and societal implications. The documentary does not shy away from the profound philosophical and societal implications of discovering extraterrestrial life. It explores how such a discovery could alter our understanding of our place in the universe, potentially challenging existing religious and philosophical frameworks. The film also considers the potential societal impacts, including the possible consequences for human culture, politics, and international relations. The notion of contact with an advanced extraterrestrial civilization raises questions about how humanity might respond and how such contact could be managed. The future of the search for life. In its concluding segment, Life Beyond Earth looks to the future of the search for extraterrestrial life. It highlights ongoing projects and upcoming missions that hold promise for significant discoveries. The documentary emphasizes the role of international collaboration in space exploration and the importance of continued investment in scientific research. It also addresses the challenges and limitations of current technology and the need for innovative approaches to overcome these barriers. The documentary ends on an optimistic note, celebrating the progress made in the field and the continued drive of scientists and researchers who push the boundaries of our knowledge. Analysis of the documentary. Scientific accuracy and presentation. Life Beyond Earth is praised for its accurate representation of current scientific understanding and its ability to convey complex concepts in an accessible manner. The documentary effectively balances technical details with engaging visuals and narratives, making the science behind the search for extraterrestrial life understandable to a general audience. The use of interviews with leading scientists, stunning space imagery, and clear explanations of scientific principles enhances the documentary's credibility. It also effectively communicates the excitement and challenges of astrobiology, inspiring viewers to appreciate the enormity of the questions being addressed. Impact and reception. The documentary has been well received by both the scientific community and the general public. It has been commended for its ability to stimulate curiosity and encourage further exploration of the topic. The inclusion of diverse perspectives, from historical figures to contemporary scientists, provides a comprehensive view of the subject and highlights the collaborative nature of scientific inquiry. The film has also sparked discussions about the ethical and philosophical implications of discovering extraterrestrial life. By addressing these issues, the documentary contributes to a broader dialogue about humanity's role in the universe and our responsibilities as we advance our exploration of space. Conclusion. Life Beyond Earth is a compelling and informative documentary that captures the essence of humanity's quest to understand whether we are alone in the universe. By combining historical context, scientific exploration, theoretical insights, and philosophical reflections, the film offers a thorough examination of one of the most intriguing questions in science and philosophy. The documentary not only educates viewers about the current state of the search for extraterrestrial life but also inspires a sense of wonder and curiosity about the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe and develop new technologies, the search for life beyond Earth remains one of the most exciting and profound endeavors in human history.